Hello everyone, we are solving class 10 real number. First topic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 1 marks question of the previous years. The fifth question is, what is the HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? First of all, before solving the question, you should know what is the smallest prime number and what is the smallest composite number. The prime number, what is meant by the prime number? The prime number or the number which are having only two factors, the 1 and the number itself is called as a prime number. Yes. And what is composite number? The number which are having the more than two factor is called as a composite number. So smallest prime number is not the 1. Remember, smallest prime number is not the 1. Smallest prime number is what? 2. Yes. And the smallest composite number is what? Now we are looking out the prime numbers. So it is the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and the so on. Learn this. रट लो अच्छे से. These are the prime numbers. So smallest composite number is what? Again, 1 is not the prime, 1 is not the composite. So here it is that. So this is smallest composite number is what? 4. The 4 having the factors. So factors of the 2 is what? 1 into 2. And the factors of the 4 is what? 1 into 2 into 2. As we want to calculate the HCF, that is the highest common factor. So we need to calculate the common factor of the 2 and 4. So here it is only the one common factor, that is 2. 1 is also, but 2 into 1 is what? Again 1. And so HCF of the 2 and 4 is what? 2. So though it is a word problem, you should write final answer in the word compulsory, whether it is a 2 mark question, whether it is a 3 mark question or whether it is a 4 mark question. So HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number is 2. So keep on watching. If you like it, understand it. So please keep on watching. We are solving many more questions of the 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 marks and the 3 marks of the previous 10 years. So keep on watching. Thank you so much. If you like it, share it with your friends. Thank you.